Hello everyone, welcome to this new section. So here we will see this is my Power BI window open. So this is a get data. Okay, get data button is here. So once you click on this get data, you will see there are different data sources from where we can pull the data. So if I click on this more button, you will see there are hundred of data sources from where we can pull the data. Okay, okay, this all. So here you can see Excel workbook, text or CSV, XML, JSON, folder, PDF, Parquet, then SharePoint, SQL, MS Access, database, and there are multiple data sources. So you can see there is about 100 plus data sources are there. Okay, okay. So I will click on the Excel and I will pull this sample superstore, which is very much famous data source. Okay, it will connect the data. Meanwhile, we can see this is a filter pane. This is a filter pane. This is for visualization pane. Okay, this is visualization, and this is for fields. Fields nothing but data fields. So okay, from here I will create, from here I will select one sheet, that is orders sheet. So here you will see the data, exact data. Okay, since this is a clean data, I will not click on this transform data. I will click on this load button. Okay, if you have unclean data, if you have some nulls, blanks in the data, you can click on this transform data where you will extract, transform and load your data. Okay, so I will click on this load so that it will get connect to the Power BI. Now here you will see this orders. If you expand this, you will see all the data fields come to this section, field section. Now visualization have these two buttons, this one for visuals and this is one for the page. Okay, and this is a filters section where you can add some filters to your reports. So you can see um, now we will design column chart. Okay, so here you can see different visuals already built. So what I can do, I will just click on this tag, this column chart, and it will pop up here. Okay, now now there are, okay, now below this visuals you can see x-axis, y-axis, legends, small multiples, tool tips, and drill through options are there. So what I want as a x-axis, I will pull here. So suppose I will pull region in the x-axis, and at the y-axis I want sales. Okay, you can see region-wise sales has been plotted in the column chart. Okay, so this is a simple column chart which I have built. So if you want to format this column chart. You can go to this format your visual options where x-axis I have. You want to change the font. If you want to increase the font, you can see the font is increasing. Okay, then color, if you want to increase, you can increase. Then title, this is the title for. Okay, see this x-axis section is there. In that, values, so formatting for values has been done in this section. Formatting for title of the x-axis has been done here. Okay, you can reset it to default as well. Now there is a section, another y-axis section. Then values, you can format it by increasing the font. You can see the font size has been increased. Color you can increase. Okay, title for the y-axis, grid lines if you want or not, can be done. Zoom slider, columns, data labels, plot area, background. Okay, now in the general section, you can see this name of the visual is a general in the general section. So you can, in the title section, you can give the title as well. You can increase the size. You can change the alignment. You can change the background color. Suppose if I am giving this one, and text color I will change to white. Okay, so this is the in the general section. Then effects. Okay, so these are different formatting options uh, you can see in this format section. In this formatting section, so there are tooltips. If you want tooltips, then you can give tooltips as well. Okay, if you want to change the color of these bars, you can change it to different color. Spacings. Okay, so this is nothing but a column chart we have designed. So thanks for your attention and thanks for watching. Thank you.